Today in this video, we'll check Taptap Send promo code. So first of all, we'll open the application. The application is opening, yes. The interface looks like this, my friend, and you can use Taptap Send to send money to your home country, and we have got lots of country available here like India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka. And while you come back, and here you can see it shows like earn AED 40 for each successful referral, and this is the promo code, friends. Okay, it is BIPUL84. So once you are transferring money using Tap Send to your home country for the first time, you can use this promo code to get a bonus. Okay, and see, it is showing you have got bonus credit AED 40, and which is like equals to 1004 for India, and today's exchange rate is like 1 AED equals to 25.10 Indian rupees. So while you are transferring your money to India or any other country using Tap Send, you can simply use this promo code. The promo code is BIPUL84, and you can also get your own promo code once the application is open. Okay, you will see it here, or else you can see it's referral here. You can just click here also, the same page will open, and here you will be getting your own promo code which you can share with your friends. And if your friends transfer their money to home country for the first time and use your promo code, you will be also getting a bonus point from Taptap Send. This is very easy and very reliable. You can also use the same promo code. Regarding this promo code or Taptap Send, you have any question, do write in the comment section. I will try my best to answer that. I hope you like the video. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.